As a YouTuber and of medical coding YouTube channel, every day I am getting messages regarding, sir, how to get medical coding job without experience. As all of us know, nowadays there is a huge competition for medical coding jobs. Even doctors, D Pharmacy, B Pharmacy and M Pharmacy students also trying to enter into medical coding field. But the most common thing among all those people is all are completing their CPC certification and they are thinking that as soon as they complete CPC certification, they will get the job. But it is not true. As soon as you complete your CPC certification, you will not get there. You need to follow the tips and tricks which I am going to share during this video. My name is Harish Gupta, medical coder, process trainer and content creator for FastCoder21, India's topmost medical coding YouTube channel. In my channel, I will help you to understand ICT-NCM, CPT, TPICS as well as I will provide you with latest jobs spread over USA, UAE and India, and also I will try to provide you with free webinars of AEPC chapters. So today our topic is how to find medical coding job without experience. Yeah, this is very useful for the people who are trying into medical coding field. These people might have completed their CPC certification. So if you follow the video completely, most of the time you are going to get the job in medical coding without any experience. If you skip this video, you are not going to get your job. The most important thing you need to showcase here is highlight your education. So whenever you go to interviewer, so they will check your education, whether this guy is like from non-life science background or life science background. So in order to showcase yourself, you need to mention your qualification clearly. So this qualification includes your education and your achievements during your college days or university days. And also along with your education, you need to provide your certification details. So as all of us know, if you are having the CPC certification, you are having the more value than the people without certification. So here, in order to get more priority than non-CPC certified coders, you need to showcase your CPC certification. And also you need to mention if you are CPCA or CPC. Next one is networking. So in every field, networking is very important. So if you are having the good networking skills, so you are able to get the job very easily. So for example, in medical coding, so FastCoder21 is the topmost performing YouTube channel. So you need to, if you want to have good job in medical coding, you need to network with the topmost social media platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn and Facebook. Most of the time, I will provide jobs for the people who are linking into medical coding field. So if you follow our FastCoder21 YouTube channel, you will get the job. So always my intention is to share knowledge and gain knowledge. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So if you like more, this video goes to more people. So also your like motivates me to create more videos which are useful for the freshers as well as the experienced medical coder all over the world. So next one is volunteer or intern. So if you want to gain job, you need to volunteer somewhere. So during the volunteership, you will not get any money or any salary, but you need to concentrate on your job things. So if you work as a volunteer or intern, there you are going to get good skills about medical coding. So as all of us know, in medical coding, we will use like different types of softwares as well as the different types of guidelines and different types of modifiers. If you volunteer or work as an intern somewhere, so you will get the good exposure of live medical coding. Here during volunteering or internship, you don't need to worry about the salary, as if you are having the good skills, so companies will attract you easily, the people without medical coding skill. During the volunteership or intern, you are going to get hands-on experience in medical coding. So whenever you are having the opportunity of volunteering or intern, without any hesitation, first join in this section and you are going to get in-depth experience on live medical coding. Leverage transferable skills. So basically, whenever you create your resume or CV, you need to mention or highlight your transferable skills like attention to detail, analytical thinking, problem solving skills, as these are the skills which are essential for the people who are planning into work in the medical coding field or any other type of job. So if you are having all these skills like analytical thinking, attention to detail and problem solving abilities, these will compensate for your real time work. Next one is customize your resume and cover letter. So whenever you are planning to go for any type of interview, you need to check the company website first and you need to understand what exactly the company is asking. For example, if they are asking for surgery coder, so you need to mention the skills which are in the surgery section of the medical coding. Like if you want to work as a surgery coder, you need to have good understanding of IC10-CM guidelines and CPT guidelines as well as NCCI guidelines as well as modifiers. So based on the company, you need to customize your resume and your cover letter also. If you want to know more about how to create resume, already our Fastcoder 21 channel is having multiple videos related to resume preparation. So you can watch those videos and you can create your customizable resume and cover letter. Next one is stay up to date. So whenever you are planning to go for any interviews, just you need to update about your ICD-10-CM and CPT. So if without experience, if you are planning to go to any interview, company will ask you more about latest coding guidelines, industry trends and healthcare regulations. So if you understand all these things and if you prepare up to date before going to the interview, company think that you are having dedication to work in the medical coding. So that's why you have learned all these latest updates, so that the company will give more priority to you than the other people without up to date knowledge. Be proactive. So whenever you are trying for any medical coding job, you need to take initiative to reach out to healthcare facilities or coding companies directly. For example, if you want to work in one company, so just you need to go to the internet and you need to search for their website, and in website section each and every company is having the careers. So using the career section up, you need to send your CV to them, and also you need to highlight them why you are planning to work with their company. You need to show enthusiasm and willingness to learn during the job. Even if they don't have any jobs currently, in future also they will take or they will give priority to you than other people. They will directly come to their company. Next is the interview. So as all of us know, if you are planning to go to any interviews, just you need to master about your ICD-10-CM guidelines. So if you want to learn ICD-10-CM guidelines, so you need to know the interview questions. So in Fastcoder 21 YouTube channel, you are having common interview questions for ICD-10-CM as well as CPT and as well as HCPCS also. So in our channel, I have provided interview questions for inpatient coding like surgery coding, SCC coding and denial management coding, anesthesia coding and pathology coding. For example, if you are planning to go to inpatient interview, so just watch our Fastcoder 21 YouTube channel where I have created 100 question and answers for inpatient medical coding interview. So just follow all those interview question and answers and surely you are going to get success during the interview process. Thank you friends. I hope this session is very useful for you. Without job is little bit problematic, but if you follow the tricks and tips I have provided you here, will be useful for your job search. If you need any other information, please comment in this video so that I will create videos on that section. And also try to mention your attended webinars. Why means, for example, if you go to any APC chapter free webinar. There, attending the webinar and gaining the CU is not essential here. Just you need to grasp the education session which is provided by the each and every chapter. That is very essential for the people without job and even with job also. So if you have any confusion, please mention in the comment section of this video. So once again, thanks for visiting Fastcoder 21. Please like, comment, learn, share and subscribe Fastcoder 21. If you have any concerns, please mention in the comment section of this video.